Tired of niggas not doing it right. Rest of the night, stay the rest of your life. I know you heard me, I ain't gon' say it twice. Too much talking on my line. I know the game go, this I can't deny. So fuck is you playing for? Cause you know that I ain't playing right now. Just want someone to love, to hold at night, someone to hold at night, someone to hold at night. Baby, 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 darling, I know I hate, I love you. Yeah, you make it so hard for me, to move on and let go, Hold you. Just want you.
Tired of niggas not doing it right. Rest of the night, the rest of your life.
I know you heard me, I ain't gon' say it twice. Too much talking on my line. I know the game go, this I can't deny. So fuck is you playing for? Cause you know that I ain't playing right now. Just want someone to love.
Darling, I know I hate, I love.
A few moments later.
She's real good. So guys, Mama, stop shouting.
Real, stop shouting.
I did not know I don't have mayonnaise in the house, so I'm really skeptical. I'm not really sure. Oh my god! Wow, I'm gonna bite my tongue. She tried, but if there was mayonnaise, she would have finished it. There was no mayonnaise, and I was like she won't eat it. But she tried. Come and put it in. I'm not sure that Miss Eva I did not really like it. So she didn't eat her biscuits. Thank God I didn't open it. So let's see the food. I don't say my children don't like orange. Hey Mama, orange is good for you. And you did not eat your chin chin. Orange is good for you, Mama. Look at it. But your auntie don't have to tell you now. I've told you before. Your auntie does not have to tell you. If you want to eat your peanut, you eat your peanut. I've told you before. Which one is my auntie did not tell me? Look at how Brielle did. This is so nice. This is amazing. So I don't really fault her. You guys know Brielle of before she will finish the salad. But there was no mayonnaise and I didn't know. So yep. Let's see Jaden. Baby Jaden. I know say go finish in juice. This is how he did in water. Let's see his prawn crackers. Let me not shout prawn crackers because this is how he did. Finished. Because I did not put prawn crackers for Brielle and I don't want her to know of it. She's in the toilet so she can't hear me. Oh, Jaden tried with his oranges, but they don't like orange. Jaden finished his chin chin. They don't like oranges. It's a lie. It's a lie. Like lie. Go ask these people whether they chop this whole food.
It's Fortune was big.
Ah, Fortune, go and check. Go and check. Where's the ant? You guys, look at JD's food. JD cleared his plate. JD cleared his plate. Mama, you want to eat your chin chin? Okay, you eat your chin chin. So Brielle, this was Brielle. See, Brielle even remember that own up and say, and I did not really put plenty for Brielle. JD cleared his plate. See, he's still eating Brielle's plantain. And I take go and eat your chin chin. So this is how they did. Oh my god, my Jaden is a foodie. And I tell you guys, Jaden is a foodie. Jaden is a foodie. My Jaden. Hey. I'm gonna take your juice. You not finish your juice. Brielle did not finish her juice. Yeah, take your juice. Yeah. That's all. Fortune. This my salad. It was only Uncle that liked it. To me, I did not like it without mayonnaise. I don't like just salad cream. I don't know what we do this one. Go and throw it away. Oh, what should I do now? Because me, I don't like it without mayonnaise. I would have eaten it, but I don't like it without mayonnaise. Take. Sorry, JJ. Huh? Don't say they shout. Let me give Jaden to finish it for her. Hey God.